Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this Autel MaxiVideo digital inspection VideoScope. Okay, so this is a camera device. This camera is then used to inspect the cylinder blocks inside cars, engines. So this one is here because of this connector is ripped off from here, so they brought it like this so we can fix this ripped connector. So let's do it together and see if we can put it back together again. I think this connector is not, one of the anchor legs of this connector is already broken. As you can see, here we have one anchor leg, the other one should be here, and here is nothing. As you can see, it's already broken. So I think we cannot use this connector. Let me check if I have this one, this connector, so we can install it. Okay, so here is a box of different types of connectors, different sizes. So let's see if we can find a replacement to this one. So this one, I think this one here is the replacement. It's exactly the same. I don't know the pitch of the pins. Are they the same or not? We need to go under the microscope and compare them. Okay, so it's actually different one. This one have this black part here which holds the ribbon cable in place in the back, but this one is in front. I don't know if that will make any difference. It's actually different. Let me go under the microscope so you can see. Okay, so here is the old connector and this is the new one. As you can see here, we have the anchor points at the front of this one, but this one are at the middle of this connector, so it's different. I don't know if I will be able to find the exact one as that one. So all of them are different actually, the one I have. One thing I can do is install this one, install this leg and apply a glue at this point so it can hold. We need to clean these pins, and also we have ribbed pads. Let me put this back. So as you can see here, okay, so as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 ribbed pads. This one is still there. No, it's no longer there, already broke. And this one is still there, we can glue it. Okay, so we need to build this one and that one. Okay, so we need to take the board out first and disconnect the battery. There is actually no batteries inside here. it's just a cover. Maybe someone has already took the battery out. Okay, so we still have ribbon cable in here. Okay, it's out, but we need to take this bong. This is holding the camera in back here. Okay, so the board is out. Let's go again under the microscope. So this one is now ripped. I forgot about it while cleaning the board. So we need to repair 4 bats. Okay, so finally I managed to install this connector. It was a little hard. So it's soldered in its place. We need to glue it from this side to avoid it getting ripped again. Yeah, all other pins are soldered correctly. So let me bring a super glue and put a drop at this point to secure it in place. Okay, so here is a super glue. Okay, so it's glued in place. It is not moving. So now we can put it back together. Okay, so I think it's ready to be given back to the customer. The connector is installed in place and I think it will not be ripped again. And this is working properly. Okay. I hope you like this repair. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.